Hello everybody, back with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you step by step how to get a VPN. And when I say VPN, I'm going to be saying how to dupe an animal company, you can use the VPN to everything, steal other people's internet, but don't do that. So, what am I in? So, I have the VPN already, but I'm going to show you the step by step guide. So, and I'm not going to try and talk so much. You want to go and open your browser. Okay? When you have your browser open, you want to go search SECURE Secure VPN. Secure VPN. You're gonna may think that it's the top one, but Secure VPN is a free VPN. It costs no money. It's free. It's safe. It's like the perfect VPN if you are broke like me. Secure VPN, safer, faster internet for APK download. It looks like a blue key. Click on that. That's the one. You're not going to scroll down and download it here. Do not download the free APK download. Go here, free download for Android. If it's an APK download, you need to do a lot more steps, I think. So, right by the top, right, click on free download. I already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to click on download. I'm going to wait. Okay. Now when you have it downloaded, you can close the browser. Bro, what's happening to my controllers? There. Now when it's finished downloading, you can click on the browser to close it. And then the second step is you want to go in your library, and if you don't have this app, go and get it. It's a very good app that you can go in and get all your files, downloads, and all of that. It's called Mobile VR Station. You want to download it? Just go ahead. The people that already have it downloaded, then yeah, good for you. I'm a little bit sick today, so my voice is weird. Then when you have Mobile VR Station downloaded, click on the app. When you're loading into Mobile VR Station, make sure to like and subscribe while you're waiting. Like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next, because I'm always open. I'm always gonna make some new video ideas. Yeah. And if you want to be in a video, my fan code in Animal Company is Isago, ISAGO. And if you join that code, I'm gonna give you like free stuff. Everything. If I get like 5 people every time in it, I'm gonna give free stuff. Okay, enough talking. Let's get into the video. So when you're in Mobile VR Station, you want to go all the way down to Android Fixes Configuration Wizard. Click on that, and then go down to the bottom again. Show all options. And then after that, you want to go on this one right here. Configure scope storage. And then when you're there, go down to the bottom, configure scope storage again for read, and then step 1, request access. You should read this help guide. Now when you're in this place, it should say the metaquest you're using up in the left corner. You want to go on downloads right here. People may think that the newest download they have is right on the top, but it's actually down in the bottom. So you want to go scroll all the way down to the newest one. You can see the date that you downloaded it. This is from another, like this, I already had it downloaded, and I said, click on the top corner where there's like those arrows. And then you have Secure VPN right here, update. And then the app installed, open. Now when you have Secure VPN open, you can quit Mobile VR Station. This is the VPN. I'm going to now show you how to use this VPN. So when you click on tap to connect, if you're trying to duplicate Animal Company, you have the bags, place them, tap on this right here. And then you can click on disconnect, and then you're going to join back with the stuff. So up here, right here, you can see the local regions where which countries has the best internet right now. For me, it's France. I put it in auto select every time. So yeah, this is how to get a VPN. You can see right here. You can go on free plan, and if you want to, you can use like get money for it and upgrade right here. But when you go into the VPN, when you first downloaded it, you're gonna think that you need to pay. That's a trick. Okay, you want to click on the top right here where the cross is, and then you're just gonna join. And then yeah, that was it. I hope you liked the video. Bye.